Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can move or navigate your tasks inside your project from one section to another. It is actually very simple. For example, if you'd like to mark a task as complete or already done, or move it from a section like to do today to the next week, to schedule it differently. It is actually very simple, guys. So what you want to do here in Asana is log into your account and select the workspace in the top right corner by clicking on your profile icon and by selecting the workspace you'd like to edit. So let me go with that one here. And here inside your workspace, head over to your tasks that are associated with that workspace. And here we'll see a list, or if you click on board, you will be given access to the board view. So let me switch back to the list view. You will be given access to a list of all ongoing or already completed tasks within your workspace. So go through that list and decide which one of these you would like to move or navigate. There are basically two different ways how you can do that, guys. So let's assume, for instance, I would like to move that task here, schedule kickoff meeting, from recently assigned to, let's say, I would like to postpone it to next week. So move it to that section here. There are two ways how you can do that, guys. The first option would be to hover your mouse over the given task and to click on that button here, move tasks between sections. You may also use the shortcut Tab U if you like. So click on this button, and after that simply select the new location or section, like for example next week, so or today or do later. So let me move it to that location, to that section. As you can see, it has been moved. And the second option, guys, is way more intuitive. If you, for example, would like to skip this with that button here, you can simply click on that handle here on the left hand side next to the task name. Hold it with your left mouse, and after that simply move it to your new location. So let me move it to that section here. Release your left mouse, and that is going to move the task to its new location or section. That's how it works in practice, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.